Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneur training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali, and in today's edition we shall be putting you through another means of extracting mango oil, how to make mango oil. So before we go further, as usual, please, if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly do so, and if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, please do so. This will enable you to have more access to our entrepreneur training section and more of our entertainment section that will be coming up soonest. Mango oil. Let's move into the business for today. So extracting mango oil, making use of it. To extract mango oil, you need mango itself. So we peel the mango inner part out, the flesh part out. So we'll be putting it in our pan. So we'll be putting this in our pan, then pour in our oil. Most advisably, you use coconut oil. I'm not having coconut oil. I'm having carrot oil. And the logic is this carrot oil is coconut oil based carrot oil. What I'm trying to say is, this is a coconut oil which I have implemented carrot flavor into, carrot ingredient into. So this is, we are making mango oil right now. I have made carrot oil also. So if you want to, if you haven't checked my video on carrot oil, please check. So we are adding our carrot oil into this. The only difference is that we'll be having carrot oil stroke mango oil, and the color of the mango will not be the only one coming out because already we have carrots in it. So now to do it, you only need your coconut oil. If you have, or you make use of olive oil, you can make use of sunflower oil, any oil. The logic is just to absorb the nutrients and the color of our mango into a oil. So we fry till it is well fried. Now this is going to be fried like we are frying our plantain. That's the remnant after frying, and this remnant is also very sweet and rich. It is called mango candy. So this is our mango candy. I tasted it and it's cool, and that's our oil. So we have two production at the same time. We are having our candy and we are having our oil. Don't mind me, it's pouring inside. I'll take it off gradually, then you'll see the last production after. But remember, this is not going to be the color you'll be getting because this color already has carrot oil color. It's already having carrot oil. So if you see, I'll let it cool down, but if you're looking at it, you see there's difference between this color and the formal color. So you see there's slightly different. So which means my own production now is carrot oil stroke mango oil. So we have carrot mango oil. So that's just it. Just pour your oil in it and let the oil fry the mango, but make sure you don't get it burnt, just like you don't want to burn your plantain. So that's our mango oil in our carrot oil. So I have a purpose for this. I'm trying to create a lot of oils together. I'm trying to create what we call brightening oil. So we'll be having carrot, we'll be having mango, we'll be having pineapple. I think I'm still searching for pawpaw. I don't know. It seems as if we are not in the season yet. I'm searching for pawpaw. And what else again? Just follow me up until I give you the final note. So this is our mango. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. Thank you.